All right, guys, and so welcome back. Now, this is part 6, I think. Or let me check. So, all right, this is part 6. Now, what do we want to do now is to add photos to the empty pages that we left. Now, the there are sites you can get photos from that are not copyrighted. Now, the first one will be, let's go to our browser. The first one would be Pixabay. P Pixabay. Can you see that it's what pixabay.com. 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 Alright, so you can say so yeah, you can search for images. Now what we are writing on is food gardening, so just write gardening food gardening so and just click on search on your keypad, so you see it. So you can see it. You can see royalty free images. Now let it load. Okay, guys, so it's already loading small, so you can see photos there that you can now, depending on the space that you left. That's what you use to download the photo. Now for this one, now you can download this for a full page that we left. Okay, you can see them only for a full page. Now if you have a very stable network, it will load, but I don't know why it's not loading here. Now we can take this. I'm coming. Maybe we should no. Just pick this one. Just click on download image here. You start downloading on your phone immediately like that. So after downloading that, come to your book. Is there any place that we left a single, yeah, like now on this page now? You can just add. So now you click on the pencil icon. Now on the page, make sure your icon is there. Click on add image from photos. So you choose from photos and you choose this image. Right. So now you can see that this image is there now, but what is not, it's not that fitting there. So you click on it. Now when you want to expand, make sure it's in the edges that you are expanding, not in the side. Not like this, or else it will what disfigure the image. Or you can do like this, it will what disfigure the image. So you press undo if you make a mistake. So can you see? So it's from the edge. Can you see? Sorry. So it's from the edge. Can sorry, it's going to the other page. Sorry. On undo. If you make any mistake, you can use the undo button to what correct the mistake. I don't know why it's going to the other. So another page. I'm coming. Let's see, maybe it's okay there like this. Okay, I think you can leave it like this. I think you can leave it like this. Okay, click on, okay, leave it. Okay, you can click on and what centralize it also. You can centralize it. Have you ever seen it? It has shifted it to the center a little bit. So you click on this. So so you can see that the image is fitting here perfectly now. So any other page that now this it has what made this shift like this. So what do? Click on the pencil icon. So you can just press the back button till you get to the initial page. So you can see now that it's looking good now. So you can see the photo. You can add any photo to your book. All right. So is there any other page that we left? I think this small page here. This small. Okay, I think it was this place. This choosing the right. Okay. Now make sure the page you are adding, so make sure the image you are adding is what correlating with what's also on the page. If you are adding an image to a page, all right, or the page or what, make sure that the image is what correlating with what is on the, what is before the image, now, and the content as well, choosing the right location. All right, choosing the right lo- location. All right, so you just come here. So and you make sure that the icon is in where you want to insert. So you've not downloaded any. Now choosing, now you can, if you can't find a good photo here, you can go to another one, another site called pexels.com. Pexels dot this, so this is the second one, and the first one is what is pixabay.com. Second one is pexel. So the second one is pexels.com. Pexels.com. So you can also see, so you can also search food gardening. click Click on search. So you can see there are even better images here. There are even better images here than the initial one. All right, like now for this woman now that is like pick, picking apple now from the ground now. Okay, you can we can put it on a full page, on what full page. Now I'm looking for a small one that we can put on that small page, a small one. Now I think that one was choosing the right location. Just use food garden because it's like a location. Food garden. Okay, not this one. Food garden. I'm looking for a small one. Okay, you can just use anyone since it's related to it. Or you can just download this one. Download that one. Okay, so I think it's already downloading now. It's already downloading. Yeah, I think we are done. Yeah, now come back to your doc and add it here. Click on insert image from photos. So this is it here. I'm not sure if it will fit in here, but let's see if it would fit. If it would fit, we can shift this one up a little bit. Okay, no, no. Okay, let's just leave it there. Cut it. Shouldn't be there. Oh, let's see where we can put it. So you just make sure it's fitting there. All right, just make sure it's fitting there. Add image, photos, then you put it. So I don't think it can fit there. That's why it's going off to the next page. That's why it's going off to the next page. So if it's going off to the next page, so just leave it there. So just leave the just leave the space there like that. If you can't find the photo to add it, and it is not an empty page. So since it is not an empty page, it's not what compulsory to add a photo. But what if you can find a photo that will fit in there? Let us find, maybe we can see a photo that will fit in there. A smaller one than that one. Smaller one than that one. Smaller one than that one. Smaller one. So it depends on you. You can search for anything and pick an image that will be what suitable. Don't just put any kind of image that won't even explain what you are trying talk to talk about in the book. So that anybody that buys your book, you see, when someone buys your book, okay, and they read it and they what enjoyed it and they were able to get value from the book, another, and they leave a rating for your book. If another person also comes for the book, for something like that, and I would also buys the book, so the more they are buying it, the more Amazon would what always rate your book. Like anybody that would comes out come and start for the kind of your book now, Amazon would suggest some books to them faster than the other books. Okay, than the other books. So let let us download that. So the more the sales, the more what money you are what also making. So I think we've downloaded another one. Now let us check this one. Now if I check this one and it's not going, and it's not fitting in there, seems we would have to leave this little. Okay, I can see why now. Can you see? Can you see why? So it's just this small page here. Okay, it's just this small page here. Alright, it's just this small page here. Okay, it's just this small page here that is left. I think that's why it's not fitting in. So maybe we can just do something like this. Add image photos. Let us try this. Think it's not still staying. I don't think it's still staying. Oh, it has. Oh, sorry. Yeah, so yeah. Make sure the icon is in the place you want to be. Remember, when you make any mistake, just what undo immediately, please. Just undo immediately. So can you see that this one also is not fitting? So we can. Okay, yeah, very good, very good, very good. You can try to cut it like this. Okay, so and just paste it here. All right. Let us try the initial one. Just cut this one. Let us try the first one that will downloaded first. Image photos. Let's check this one. So you can just do something like this from here. From here, let me highlight it for you. From here, from this place, that's where you push it upwards. Cancel here. So when you push like this, so you can see that it is okay. All right. So you can see now that it's looking nice now. All right, you can see that it's looking nice now. So now that it's looking nice, that is looking nice now. All right, so that's it. So you can add, you can keep adding images in where in like now here too. Now this one is about soil. All right, soil preparation. Now come here, you can now, and the last one is unsplash.com. Unsplash.com. You can what choose any images from any of the three of them. All right, and choose images from any of the three of them. All right, soil, garden, food, gardening soil. Just search. It will at least bring something out. Just bring something out. All right. So as you can see people planting. You can see them planting for food, and the soil also is showing. All right. Soil also is showing. You can see. You can see. So make sure you take your time and check very good images well. Right. Make sure you take take your time and check a good image you can use. All right. Image you can use. Don't just pick any image because you are what rushing. You can pick this father and son that are planting. You need to what download. I mean, there are a lot of sites like that, but or just let me give you that three: unsplash.com, pixlab.com, and what pexels.com. So let this download. It means more. I don't know why it's taking too long. I think we are done. It's done downloading. Right. Make sure it's here. Add image from photos. So you click on it. So alright, can you see it? Can you see it? So now you want to centralize it. What do? You can centralize it. Can centralize it. Can you see? Alright. Can centralize it like that. So you can see that. So you can see. Okay, it's made it this one shift downward, so you can just shift it up back manually. All right. So certain soil there, so all this. So I don't think all this will need image. And don't forget, your next chapter won't start from this page 24. All right. So I think we are done with that now. I think it's now, and the last thing now is your table of contents that we were left at the what beginning. All right, it's your table of content that we left at what beginning. Right, so this is how you generate it. If you are using an iPhone, now this is where you come to this plus button. You will see your table of contents here under this place, after this footnote. You will see table of contents there. But for Android users, this is what you do. Just let's go. Okay, I think before that, let me see this. Now, for the remaining chapters, do it the what normal way did, that we did the remaining and the initial ones. Okay. Now, what will you do? Like, take your topics, go to chat GPT, tell it to generate content for you. Go to duplicate and check for what plagiarism. Do that and what paraphrase and bring it back. Make sure your what all your settings are on before you paste, like all these places, all the style and the what. Make sure it's in left alignment. Make sure the line spacing is in 1.5. Make sure the text color is black, and make sure the font is treble check, and the font size you should use is what 13. All right, so that's and what you can now make sure your chapters are starting. Please, it's very important, or else you won't be able to generate your table of contents. Make sure your chapters starts from an number odd number. So in case if there's an if the next page, if the next empty page is an even number, leave it, add an image there, and start the next chapter odd from the odd page. All right, so the next thing is to get your table of content. And I said, if you're an iPhone user, just come to this ad, and what it will be after this footnote. If you're an iPhone user, you will see table of content there. So follow me. For Android user, and for iPhone user also, follow me also. And because after pressing table of content, what you will do, you will also see it here. Let's go.